What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to any of the new subscribers who have decided to join my channel. And also, this is going to be part 2 of my option calls trade. And if you don't want to miss out on the next parts when I finally do decide to sell my contracts and see how much money I've won or lost, don't forget to subscribe so you can get those videos on your newsfeed. So, basically, this is my first options call, and I'm not really used to seeing something this volatile. Gaining and losing money so quickly is frightening to me, but I decided that I had enough profits where it would kind of make up for it, balance out each other if I did have some kind of significant loss. So basically, I decided to get 2 option calls on VGT, and it's a big tech ETF from Vanguard, and some of the top holdings are Microsoft, Adobe, Apple, and Intel. Now, basically, the reason why I decided to buy 2 option calls on VGT is the earnings are coming up at the end of January, and I'm very optimistic on these companies and the top holdings, and I'm hoping that when they do beat, or I'm hoping that they beat analyst ratings or estimates, and then that those stock prices will skyrocket, and then the VGT stock ETF will also increase in value by a lot. Also, just in general, VGT has been performing very, very strongly in the past couple months, so I felt like right now would be a good time to buy an option call on VGT, and after looking at its top holdings and how those companies have been performing, I finally felt comfortable to take the risk. So, let me show you how my option calls have performed in the past week. Now, if you look over here, my average cost for each contract is $16.75, which translates to $1,675 for each contract when you take in consideration that you're buying 100 shares. So the market value for those 2 contracts right now is actually $4,070. So I have a total return of $720. And in 1 week, that's like really fast money, and I'm surprised it actually went up this quickly. Again, this is my first options trade, so not too familiar with exactly how aggressive these prices change. So in the past day, I only went up $20, but I'd much rather be up $20 and down $100. In the very beginning, I did have a kind of big drop where I was actually down, I think, almost $200 at some point. And that was just very scary because I was at the very beginning of my option trade when I finally bought those contracts. And I was just like, hopefully I did not make a mistake and I'm about to lose thousands of dollars. So ended up that it was just something small at the end of the market when it closed. Then it rebounded back up on the opening when the market opened the next day. And that day was pretty stagnant. And then right before close, you see right here is a huge, massive jump. And on this day alone, I think I was up $900. I'm going to try to show you a screenshot. I'm not sure if I can edit it in or something, but I was up almost $920 around that vicinity. And to me, that's the biggest capital gain I've seen on my portfolio. So I was just like, oh my gosh, I was not prepared to see such a big jump. So basically, I was up $900 that day. That's not taking into consideration my other holdings, or that is, taking into consideration my other holdings, so it wasn't purely capital gains from the options trade, but that explains how I'm up $720. Then the next coming days, it's really been going up and down a lot, but overall, I'm still positive. I went up $20 today, and I think I went up another $20 the day before that, so it's slowly climbing up, and I'm hoping that when earnings come around the corner at the end of January, it'll go up by a lot. And then I can hopefully sell one of these contracts to lock in some profits. And then after that, I'm going to hold the other one for the long run and see how that goes. I do have 2 contracts, and that was kind of the purpose for that, so that I can quit while I'm ahead with one contract and then run the other one out till it's time, because they do expire on the 21st of February. So I still have pretty much, I think it's exactly a month. Yes, exactly 1 month until these contracts expire. So I don't want to sell them off too early and lose out on any potential profits. So that's basically my very first options trade. 1 weekend, $720 in profit. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section, if you do options trading or what's your style of trading, and let me know what you want to see in the future for this channel. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate all the subscribers that I have right now. Even though it's a small channel, still appreciate all the people who are here, and I hope you have a great day.